As many of you may have noticed, WhatsApp and several other popular video calling applications no longer properly support OBS Virtual Camera. Even though OBS Virtual Camera may still appear in the list of available cameras on Windows 10, it often fails to work during an actual video call. In many cases, the video feed remains black, the camera cannot be selected, or the virtual camera doesn't appear at all once the call starts. This change has made it difficult to use OBS for live overlays, face swapping, virtual backgrounds, AI avatars, and other real-time effects during video calls. But there's always a way to do that. To know how to watch my video till end, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do it to stay updated and find answers to your questions. Well, let's get started. How to use OBS on WhatsApp and other platforms where OBS Cam don't show up. As all you know, this is OBS Studio. No matter its old or new version, if you click on Tools option you see plugins. For now there's no plugin. No matter its latest version, this trick work on it. First you need to go to GitHub, link in my description, and there click on Release option. Click on Latest version. In Assets, download first and second file. After you downloaded, first install Droid drivers file, then plugin file. Now you might need to restart OBS if it's running. Now click on Tools option, there you will see Droid output option, click on it and click Activate. Now choose your source on OBS, face swap tool, or anything, up to you. Adjust if you want and click Start Virtual Cam. Now you are ready to video call. On WhatsApp, choose Droid as your main cam. Now you can video call and use OBS Studio on any platform you want. If you are unable to install this and not working for you, message me on Instagram for my assistance. I hope you liked this video. If you got any question or request, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care.